Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
My Schoolyard. My Schoolyard is lively, spacious, and full of energy every day. It belongs to a public school in Romania where many children from different classes spend their breaks together. For us, the schoolyard is not just a place between lessons, but a space where we relax, talk, and have fun with our friends. In the middle of the yard, there is a large concrete area where students usually run, play tag, or talk in small groups. The ground is sometimes marked with lines for different games, and near one side, there are 2 football goals where boys and girls often play during the long break. Even though the yard does not have expensive equipment, it is always full of laughter and movement. Along the edges of the schoolyard, there are a few old trees that offer shade in spring and autumn. There are also several wooden benches where students sit, eat their sandwiches, or finish their homework before the next class. In front of the main entrance, there is usually a Romanian flag, which is raised every morning. Near the building, there is a small green area with flowers planted by the teachers and students. Sometimes we help take care of them as part of school activities. The school building itself is tall and simple, with many windows and a large entrance door. During breaks, the yard becomes noisy and cheerful. We share stories, make plans for the weekend, and sometimes buy snacks from the small shop across the street. Teachers supervise us, making sure everything is safe and organized. Even if my schoolyard is not very modern or colorful, I truly like it because it is full of memories and friendships. In my opinion, it is an important place where we grow, learn to cooperate, and enjoy some of the best moments of our school life.